Welcome to the daily rundown. I'm going to be running through the charts and showing you some of the setups that I'm looking at myself, and hopefully you enjoy. We have Bitcoin on the daily time frame, still looking like an ascending triangle, currently at the bottom. So right now, spot would be good buy right here with a very tight risk reward. You close it under this last low, and play it all the way back to the top. Very straightforward. Zooming into the 4 hour on this, still going to be honoring this level here. We had a little tweezer close underneath, but currently some indecision with low volume going into the weekend. So expect some chop, but still the ascending triangle is still in play. All right, now looking at Ethereum, you can see that we're in a falling wedge and pulling out Bollinger Band. Were held down below the 20 MA and sitting at the golden pocket currently, and clearing all that out, you can see we're still kind of in the middle of this falling wedge. So really not much to look at here on Ethereum, but I wanted to point out because it's obviously the second most popular cryptocurrency, still holding above here, which is good, but we are setting a lower low over here. So I would like to see us clear this level before really signaling a reversal of any sort on Ethereum. So for right now, really not much of a trade. Just watch and see what happens. All right, going into Ethereum, going into XRP, Ripple. You can see on the weekly time frame, very clear support base, rejection, support, and we're right in the middle of this descending triangle at the moment. But let's watch. There's a huge pump today. We're up currently close to 9%. Got a couple hours before the daily close, but we could see something like this. So definitely want to look out for that. So keep it on your radar. But for now, it's still in the middle. If you wanted to zoom in and try to play a trade in here, you can. It looks like it kind of broke out of this descending trend within, and on a daily time frame you could jump in here on a daily close above here, with the stop a little bit below the horizontal, right, and just play it up to the top of the channel. Definitely could do that. But that's XRP. Just keep it on the radar and maybe watch for this trade if this looks interesting to you. And finally, we're going to be looking at waves. Waves. It has been on a tear. Just look at that. The last 3 weeks, it went from all the way at the bottom to the top, 276%. But now zooming in on the 1 hour, we're in a little bit of a correction at the top here. And you can see that we are sandwiched between the 89 EMA and the 34 EMA and the 20 MA. And it's somewhat formed a descending channel, could call it a bullish pennant coming out of this last leg. So for me, the price target, once it breaks out, would be here, or if you wanted to draw it all the way up here, you could. So definitely a good trade opportunity here. It looks like it's near breaking out here on the 1 hour, about 20 minutes left. But also, I like it because it's got a very clean, if it does break out, very clean exit right here below this fib. 3% for potential if you want to play it to there, 10%, or all the way to the top, 15%. Up to you, but definitely a trade setup that I'm watching. So hope the rundown of those charts helped you guys, and happy charting. Let's make some money.